This next lesson discusses what odds are compared to probability. Okay, odds, in other words, the odds of winning, are similar to probability. Okay, they use the same theoretical probability, but they express it in a different way. Okay, they compare the number of desired events to the number of undesired events. So you should understand that. Okay, or vice versa, rather than to the total number of events. Express odds as a ratio. Okay, so for example, this is one, this is the other one. So take a look at this example 1. If in the past 4 games the hockey team has won 4 times, the experimental probability of winning is 3 out of 4. So the probability of winning is 3 out of 4. That's the number of favorable outcomes. Okay, there's 3 wins out of 4 total games. That's the experimental probability because that's what happened. That's what happened in the actual trial. Okay. The odds in favor of winning, however, are a ratio of the wins compared to losses. And there you would write 3 compared to 1. Okay. In this case, this is wins and this is losses. Okay, so the odds of winning are 3 to 1. The probability of winning is 3 out of 4. But it says the same thing. It's the same information. Okay, try another one. Example 2. In rolling a 6-sided die, determine the odds in favor of rolling a 4. Okay, well, let's do it the same way. What's the probability of 4? Okay, there's one side that is a 4 out of 6 possible. What is this for odds? Well, how many favorable? There's 1 favorable. How many not favorable? 5. Okay. Next, when drawing a card from a well-shuffled deck of playing cards, determine the odds in favor of drawing a diamond. First of all, what's the probability of a diamond? Okay, well, out of 52 cards, how many are diamonds? 13. So, if I want the odds in favor of drawing a diamond, so there are 13 compared to how many are not favorable. How many are not a diamond? There would be 39. This is 52, take away 13. Okay, so that's what odds are, odds in favor. All right, why don't you pause the video and see if you can do the next 2, and then we'll do them together. Okay, a wallet contains 3 $50 bills, so there's a 50, a 50, a 50, 2 $10 bills, and 1 $20 bill. What are the odds against drawing out a $10 bill? Okay, so there are 2 $10 bills, and then there are 4 that are not. So the odds against, okay, against means not a 10. There are 4 of those compared to 2 that are. So the odds are 4 to 2. Okay, next one. A survey of 320 students in your school reveals that 240 of them listen to radio station Hot 103. Find the odds against randomly selecting a student who listens. Okay, so first of all, 240 listen. How many don't? Well, 320 minus 240 is 80. Don't listen. To 103, I mean. Don't listen to 103. Find the odds against randomly selecting a student who listens to the station. Okay, the odds against, that's the opposite of the odds for. Okay, if it was 4 listening to that station, it would be 240 compared to 80. But in this case, it's 80 that don't compared to 240 that do. So the odds against are 80 to 240. Okay? So, assignment 4, I want you to try these questions. and we will take them up in class.